Hi, and welcome to Snow Fusion, our intelligent document processing platform. And we have implemented a new functionality that is Picker model. And in the technical terms, we can say Roman in the loop validation interface with the bounding box mapping. So, which enables smart field detection, auto highlighting, and precise data extraction. So, I will show you how easily user can review the predictions and correct the values with just a click. So let's get started. This is the home screen. Here I select the document, and let's say I want to upload invoice document. Then I select a document type, the document. I select the invoice and open it and upload this document. Now my document is processing, and as you know, once the data is extracted, then data will go to the document details. So my document is uploaded successfully. Now go to the document details. Here my invoice section. So now a critical question always comes up, like what if the document quality is poor, or what if the AI is not 100% sure about a certain field? Then how do we guarantee complete accuracy before this data goes into a system of record? So for this, we have built our Picker model, that is human in the loop validation interface with bounding box mapping. Now I click on invoice that I was uploaded. This is the invoice, and here you can see the invoice. So now you can see here the extracted information, and here the original document. So when I click on any fields, and now I click on invoice number, then my invoice number will map to the invoice number and the original document. Green line, that is canvas line, and it highlights the exact location on the document where the data was extracted from, as you can see. Now let's try with the other field. Let's say I click on this. Let's say I click on buyer address. Let's say click on invoice buyer GST. As you can see, the buyer GST. So this feature provide absolute absolute transparency and builds complete trust in the data, and your user doesn't have to search or guesses about the data. This make the validation process this make the validation process fast and intuitive. So if any fields ever needs correction, the user can simply click on the correct area. Let's say in the contact number I want this order number, so just I'm click on this, and now I'm click on this, and you can see here that data is filled, a contact number filled with the order number, right? And let's say in the buyer number you want this date, then you can see here the data is filled with the box on which I'm clicking. So once the user has quickly glanced over the fields and confirmed everything is correct, they simply click on the approve. As you can see here, the confirm section, then simply click on the confirm. Now my document is my document is in approved section. So this is 100% accurate, fully validated data is now ready. From here, the structured data can be sent via an API directly into your SAP, Oracle, or any other ERP system. So this we can use in many industry, like when we want to create the sales order. It's when we want to convert the PO into SO, sales order, then we can directly click on approve. Then this will create a sales order in the SAP with no human intervention. So this is our new functionality.